Hey guys, this is Miriam at High Life Auto. I am out doing a video test drive on a 2010 Ford Taurus. If you've never been on my video test drives before, the way it works is I drive the vehicle on video and I tell you what I see, hear, think, smell, and feel to give you the best indication of being in the driver's seat without actually being in the driver's seat. I'm not a mechanic and this is not meant to be a 182-point inspection. Rather, it's meant to be a sneak peek at how the vehicle drives and any potential issues I notice as we're going along. So we'll take a look around the vehicle, we'll take a look under the hood, and then we'll go for a drive. And this one is kind of a unique one because I don't really know anything about it except what I've been told, and then I really know that it's not doing what I've been told, and so we'll figure out what it's doing and then we'll go from there. So here we go. 2010 Ford Taurus. It's really not a whole lot special. It's got some dings and stuff on it. You probably can't see them until you get up close, but it's just got like some little nickel size like dots and dings, kind of looks a little bit like hail damage. It's not a whole lot, but it's just kind of on there. Tires are probably about 35% on the rear, and up here on the front probably about 30% on the front would be my guess. It is the limited package, so you have the leather, you've got the normal wear and tear that you're going to get from age and leather and sun and all of that stuff. It's dusty. It's been, Matt brought it over on the trailer, so it's been over on the gravel and all of that stuff. So that'll wash off. You got a little bit of paint on the bumper that's kind of peeling right there. But otherwise, not a bad looking car. Okay, under the hood. This should be the 3.5. So it's the V6 Ford. Matt just did an oil change on it. So here's what I know. And this might knock out, this is probably going to knock out most people. With the dealer we bought this from, he said, the guy that he got it from said that it was overheating. And I don't know, he said it was overheating in like 25 minutes or like 25, 35 minutes, something like that. But you can see Matt just changed the oil, and the oil did have some intermix, so like some oil coolant mixture in it. So that's why we changed the oil. So it's got a fresh oil change in it. Woo! There goes my phone. Okay, so he said, I mean, it drove in to be traded into the guy we bought it from, and he sold it us. We knew exactly, he said it was overheating. And then we have not got it to overheat yet. So we're just kind of operating on the assumption that it does overheat. We're working on figuring out where and how and when and why. So if that knocks you out, don't worry about offending me or hurting my feelings if you stop watching my video. I'm not going to feel hurt at all because I know that this is going to be a repair of some sort. I just don't know what the repair is, and so right now this is the video of what we know right now. Because of that, it's going to be a cheap vehicle, and that's it. That's all. Okay, so here we go. Back to this. All right, so we've got 150,000 miles on there. Those lights and stuff that are on, they are not flickering. That's just the camera doing what the camera does. But yeah, 150,000 miles. I've had the car running I've only had it running for like 5 or 6 minutes or so, so I'm in the middle operating temperature, but we'll watch it as we're going. We filled up all the fluids. Like I said, Matt changed the oil. We filled up the fluids. We're going to watch it over, the next couple days, next couple weeks or so, and just see about the fluid intermixing and see if it happens, how it happens, all of that stuff. So we may have some more information for you when you call. It may, give you a little bit more indication of what the problem is that way. There was a check engine light on. There's not right now. There was when we got it, just because for whatever. So when we changed the oil and stuff, we cleared everything and all of that. So I'm kind of hoping that will come back on when we drive. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will be a problem that won't come back. But if it was a problem, then we'll check it when it comes back on. So we'll do all of our normal stuff that we need to do, just because radio's important. Radio works. Okay, what's all this? This is an info. Okay, we got gas in there. That's good. Set up, reset for system check. We'll do that. 80% oil. Oh, I need to reset that. It's got 100% oil life left. I don't know if you can even see that, but and I did put an oil change sticker up there. So, but I'll reset that to 100% oil life left too. Okay, nothing special on there. Okay, so we will put. Let's see, turn the AC on and see if that works. We've got heated and AC seats. The AC lights come on. I'm gonna see if mine works on my seat. I'm assuming that the passenger side seat works just because it's on, but we'll see if mine works on my side. Meanwhile, we'll check our windows. Driver's side window works. Passenger side window works. Rear passenger side window works. And rear driver's side window works. Regular AC in the car works. I'm going to turn on my heated seat. I'm going to put my seat up just a hair. Matt was driving it last, and he always has his seat way back farther. Okay, and then I'm going to put my seatbelt on. And this is the limited package. It's got a couple of the extra cool things. I know one thing it's got this button here, which I think is back there. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Well, there's a sunshade back there, which should work, but it's not working. Okay. Wait, no, hold on. I'm pushing the wrong button. Okay. There's another button, but it doesn't work. Dang it. Okay. Well, that button is a sunshade back there, and it should work, but it's not working. It's kind of a cool button. That's just one of those things that very few cars have. It's got a rear sunshade. Okay, adjust my mirror, and off we go. All Matt has told me so far is he's impressed with the way this car drives. Because, like, all I knew, he's like, okay, well, I was told that the car overheats, and so I was assuming that we were going to get it and, and scrap it and, make a couple bucks on wheels and tires and all of that. But he's like, well, it drives really good, so let's see what happens. So, I don't know. We're going to drive it. He said it drives really well. It is driving pretty smooth. It's got pretty decent power. I'm going up this hill. Nothing to really complain about. And it drives like any other car. Nothing that I would immediately flag as problematic. Should probably get over since there's a big red truck in my way. And I don't want to end up in its rear end. And there's another big truck in my way. Well, this is going to be a fun test drive. It must be near the end of the day. All the trucks are getting ready to go. So, I mean, it's doing what it should be doing. I've got it under a load. I mean, I've got the air conditioning on. I was going up a pretty decent hill. It was doing what it was supposed to be doing. It accelerated well. It's shifting the way it's supposed to. Got, let's see, turn signals. There's my left turn signal. There's my right turn signal. There's a school bus. I probably shouldn't pass the school bus. I think that that's highly frowned upon. There's my windshield wipers. There's my windshield wiper fluid. The yellow school bus lights. Can't pass the school bus, so I'm going to turn on my turn signal. And I'm going to turn right here. think that I can turn. Brakes are good and solid, no grinding or vibration. Check our cruise. Our cruise on and set. And you'll see over there, I've got my cruise on and set, and let's see, is it holding? And it's holding, so my cruise is working. So, let's see, I've got 10 minutes on this video. I had the car running for about 5 minutes before that, so I've got about 16 minutes on the car. Still running about middle temperature, so I'm not overheating yet. But like I said, the guy said that he had driven it in 25 minutes or so. So that's what I know. That's kind of where I'm at. I'm gonna scan this on my computer real quick and just see if there's any pending check engine codes or anything. Just see if any of those have come back. Otherwise, take this as a project. Right now, I don't know what kind of project. If it's overheating, at some point, you know that it's something, intake gasket, head gasket, possibly water pump, possibly radiator. I don't know, maybe, I don't think it'd be hose related. I don't think you're gonna have intermixing of fluids there. I know Impala's had a little elbow that cracked and did that, but I don't think Taurus's did. So I don't know. Do a little bit of research, find out what your Taurus major problems were, and see what you've got. You can always give Matt a call and find out if we have any new information regarding the speed of intermixing or anything else we find out. We kind of, that's why we did an oil change and we cleared everything, and so we'd have a blank slate and we could start and find out what we could find out from our own personal knowledge. So, anyways, my phone number is 309-267-7200. Matt's phone number is 309-337-1049. Either one of us can answer questions for you. He's probably smarter than me, so give it a shot. I'm nicer, he's smarter. Take your pick. Thanks, guys.